Hey there, fellow space enthusiasts. Welcome back to Cosmic Crush. Today, we're going to embark on an incredible journey through NASA's most astonishing achievements. Get ready to launch into the cosmos of coolness. Number 1. The Moon Landing. Let's begin with a giant leap for mankind, the iconic moon landing of 1969. NASA's Apollo 11 mission sent astronauts Buzz Aldrin and Neil Armstrong to the lunar surface. The entire world watched in awe as they took those historic steps. Can you imagine being on the moon? It's like fulfilling your childhood dream of walking in a whole new world, but this one's just 238,900 miles away. Number 2. Hubble Space Telescope. Next up, we have the Hubble Space Telescope, the cosmic paparazzi since 1990. This floating observatory orbits Earth, capturing mind-boggling images of distant galaxies, nebulae, and celestial wonders. Think of it as the Instagram of the universe, serving us with jaw-dropping snapshots that make you wonder why your phone's camera can't be that good. Number 3. Mars Rovers. Time to meet our mechanized Martian buddies, NASA's Mars Rovers. Since 2004, these rugged rovers have been roving around the red planet, uncovering its secrets one rock at a time. They've even taken some epic Martian selfies that would make your Instagram feed jealous. Imagine sending your robot on an interplanetary road trip. It's like a dream come true for any sci-fi geek. Number 4. International Space Station. Up next, we have the International Space Station, ISS, humanity's orbiting outpost. Imagine living in a space condo with astronauts from all over the world, 24/7. But this isn't just a cosmic slumber party. They're doing experiments, studying microgravity, and creating a bond that goes beyond borders. It's like watching a never-ending, mind-blowing reality show from the ultimate penthouse suite. Number 5. Voyager Golden Records. Now, let's talk about NASA's cosmic mixtape, the Voyager Golden Records, launched in 1977. These records contain sounds and music from Earth, just in case any extraterrestrial beings stumble upon them. It's like Earth's way of saying, "Hey, we're pretty cool, want to be friends?" Think of it as the ultimate interstellar playlist, tunes that might be jamming in a distant galaxy right now. Number 6. The James Webb Space Telescope. And last but certainly not least, let's introduce you to the cosmic superstar in waiting, the James Webb Space Telescope, that launched in 2021. It's like the Hubble's cool, sophisticated cousin. The James Webb is all about peering deeper into the universe, revealing galaxies that are older than your grandma's secret cookie recipe. It's like having a time machine that shows you the universe's ancient history, galaxies that formed when the Earth was just a baby planet. There you have it, folks, NASA's greatest achievements, now with more cosmic detail. From the historic moon landing, Hubble's breathtaking images, and Mars rover's interplanetary exploration to the ISS's international camaraderie, Voyager's interstellar mixtape, and the recent James Webb Space Telescope. These are the moments that remind us of our boundless curiosity and potential as a species. So, keep your eyes on the stars, never stop dreaming, and make sure to share this video with your fellow space enthusiasts. Don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe. Until next time, stay curious, and keep looking up.